presenting a pre-owned 2008 Infiniti G37. This two-door coupe has a six-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 5-speed shiftable transmission. This Infiniti has less than 121,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include navigation package, premium package, sport package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power sunroof.